I would like to say something about Ghana. You know, you always hear Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, always like, people will say Nigeria Generator Republic, Ghana Banku, Ghana Air, Cameroon Pepe. Like we always picking up on each other. It's just love. No malice, nothing, no serious intention. It's just love. It's just like siblings playing with each other. But have you guys realized that Ghana has one of the most healthy meals in West Africa? Let's not be biased. Let's be honest. If you look at Ghanaian meals, it always has some fresh vegetables inside, like fresh tomatoes. It doesn't matter. Ghanaians can eat whatever thing they are eating. They have something like fresh onions, fresh bodied vegetable, boiled egg, sardines. They don't eat too much meat like that. And these things are so good in our systems. On the other hand, Cameroon and Nigeria, I know you guys are going to come for me, but it's not something, I'm just saying, Cameroon and Nigeria, we cook our meals until everything, all the nutrients are all cooked. Like, we cook everything. And then we just eat the food because of how it tastes. But if you look at how it helps in the system, Ghanaian meals are just amazing, and I think they are the best. I've not had all of them, but I think the way they cook, they don't eat. Cameroon and Nigeria, we eat what is like good from the tongue. Ghanaians think more about their system, how it's going to affect their system, how it's going to digest, how it's going to help their system, and I think that's the most important. Yeah, honestly, I think Ghanaian meals are the best. Yeah. You might not agree with me, but I'm just saying, from my opinion, I think they are the best.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, you are hello, welcome. Thank you for joining. Please do not make it your last. For my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always joining me. When I come across this young man talking about Ghana food, I was so amazed. I listened to what he was saying. I was like, wow. I'm happy that other countries know the value of Ghana food. Ghana food is so healthy. As a Nigerian who live here, I've eaten a lot of Ghana food. When I came here, I was like, wow, you can see the fresh tomatoes. Only in Ghana you see people making tomatoes and pepper and eat it raw like that. They put a lot of vegetables on their food. They don't just eat food because they want to feed their tummy. That is one thing I've noticed in Ghana food. It's not just about I want to feed my tummy. It's the nutrients in the food, the health benefits you're going to get when eating their food. A lot of varieties in the food. Let's take a look at some of the food. We'll come back to talk about it. Ghana food is really delicious. As a Nigerian who have lived in Ghana here, I don't even remember some of my Nigeria food anymore because of how I've enjoying Ghana food. I basically eat Ghana food every day. I don't go to the market and say I want to cook Nigeria food anymore because the food here in Ghana, the health benefit, the nutrients in the food, you will remember your country food. Of course, my Nigeria food is also good, but I just love Ghana food the way the health benefit, the nutrients of the food is so fresh. Like, you can feel it. Not too much cooking of the food. They don't cook their food, everything cook. No. Even though the food is cooked, you definitely get some fresh vegetable on the food. I love it so much. A lot of foreigners come here when we see them eating Ghana food. Let's take a look at some of the video where some foreigners who came to Ghana eat Ghana food.
I forget about this guy's videos quite a lot.
It's great.
Yes.
The sweetness of the plantain comes in.
Yeah.
The beans are actually kind of sticky.
Yeah. The way he's like mesmerized. He's like,
that,
wow.
Taste to it.
Yeah.
Welcome today. And there, you were a juaninu, you were banku, ne fried fish, ne pepper, including ginger, onions, tomatoes, and shito, garlic, ninina, the papa, and the bed is sianu, mpacho, mumbra bedi, why? You are all welcome. You are all invited. So we can enjoy together. Oh, brothers and sisters. I love Ghana so much. Riding your coupon. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Banku is one of the most demanded breakfast, lunch, dinner in Ghanaian life. So if you know how to eat it, you can enjoy papa. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Look, I have made a very soft dough. Very nice. With shito. Bismillah. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Kill me. Hey, Radin Yakupon. Hey, the papa pao. Hey, and yes, more. Banku, enu. Bismillah. So what you're saying? Now, your fish in soup. Your fish, what you are saying? Fly fish new the power.
Wow, look at the way the white man was so happy. You can feel the joy in his heart. I've actually tasted something delicious. To the point that they are even speaking already. They are speaking the language in Ghana. Wow. It's so amazing to see that there is a place in Africa where you can come, you can stay, you can live your life as if you are home. People say that, oh, there's no place like home. I don't think it's for Ghana, because Ghana is home for everyone. Even though you are not from Ghana, Ghana is a home for everybody. Because look at the joy in their face, the happiness in their face when they are eating their food, the way they are smiling. It's so amazing. Thank you for watching this video to this end, and I will see you in my next video. Please, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to be notified.